Hello viewers, welcome to Sports and Fitness Foods. Today, I want to share a healthy, nutritious and protein-rich vegetable power poha recipe. It is low in calories, gluten-free and a good source of protein and fiber. Adding vegetables and lentils enhances its nutritional value. This is the best recipe in your weight loss journey and weight management. You can have this for your breakfast or dinner. So without wasting much time, let's dive into the recipe. Into a bowl, I am adding 1.5 cups of thick red rice poha. It is very important which poha to use because thin variety poha will become mashed and mushy and you will not enjoy it while having. So using thick poha is a must. Then add some water and rinse it 1 to 2 times very gently. Do not squeeze or rub the poha too much, otherwise the poha will break. Quickly discard the water completely. I have discarded the water. Now, with this wetness, allow the poha to soak for about 10 minutes. Into a pan, add 1 tablespoon of wood-pressed sesame oil and heat it. And then add 1 teaspoon jeera, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and saute it until they crackles. Now add 1 chopped onion, 3 chopped green chilies and fry them till the onions are browned and translucent. Now add some curry leaves and saute it for a few seconds. Then add 1 potato pieces, 1/3 cup carrot pieces, 1/3 cup beetroot pieces, 1/3 cup boiled green peas and 1/3 cup capsicum pieces. Fry all these veggies for 2 to 3 minutes till the rawness goes out. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and saute it well for a minute. Now add some water into it, saute it once and cook for 4 to 5 minutes on a low flame until all the veggies become soft and tender. After 5 minutes, see, the veggies are well cooked. They become so soft and juicy. Add 1/3 cup of soaked and boiled green chana and 1/3 cup of boiled green whole moong dal. Saute it for a minute. Now add the rinsed and soaked poha into it and mix the poha well with the veg mixture. Now finally add some roasted peanuts for extra crunchiness and some lemon juice. Mix it well once. Yes, now it is done. Now our tasty, healthy, nutritious and protein-rich vegetable power poha is ready to serve. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please like it and share this to your friends, and also subscribe this channel for more tasty, healthy and quick fitness recipes. Meet you in the next video.